Hello friends. Welcome to The Kid, Part 1. This is a funny movie with a lovely story. It will make you laugh, and it might make you cry a little. The movie scenes are explained with very simple sentences, so you can learn English in a fun way. Let's watch the story. Here we go. Here is a charity hospital, a hospital for poor people. Look, there's a woman. She has a new baby. She looks so sad. Now, she is in a park. She sits on the bench. Now we see a man. He's the woman's boyfriend. But he doesn't love the woman anymore. A nice car is parked outside a huge house. She leaves the baby in the car. She hopes the rich people who live in the house will take care of her baby. Two bad men see the car. Oh no, they steal the car. The poor woman returns to the park. She is very sad. She thinks about her little baby. The baby starts to cry. They hear a sound.
What's that noise?
The men find the baby. What is this?
Oh no, we don't want a baby.
The men put the baby near some trash cans. Poor little baby.